Alright, about 6 or 8 seconds. I'm still showing a 9-pip spread. Alright, we do have some revisions. I'm gonna hold tight just for a second and see how the market reacts to these revisions. I am gonna open my close box up. Got a really nice move on this, As you can see, the market gapped down. My take profit's already kicked in and closed out a portion of my trade. So I'm out of a quarter of my trade already. Again, I'm out of a quarter of my trade already. Market is starting to react a little bit off the revisions, but not really. It's just simply rebounding a little bit. So I'm going to hold tight. Again, I'm going to continue to hold tight, and I'm going to set my platform up to close half of my trade. I'm not going to do it just yet. I'm just going to have it set up so that if we need to, we'll go ahead and close out. All right, still pushing down. So it's definitely a good indication. Looks like the managed account got in this time, at least on a portion of the trade. So as you can see, the managed take profit just took some more of my trade out. So I'm out of half my trade at this point. I would suggest going ahead and closing out half your trade. The market has broken below those former lows, which is a very good indication that we could continue short. But if it breaks back above the 33 level, I'm going to suggest going ahead and closing out the rest of it. And I'm going to be standing by here if it does break up. Alright, I'm out. If you're still in this, it's not a bad decision, but I did go ahead and close my trade. Alright, it's still pushing down, which is definitely a good thing, but we are at this tunnel level. Again, we are at this tunnel level. If you would, everyone, let me know where you're filled at, where you stand, so it'll give me an idea of where everybody's at. Alright, looks like most people got in at 70, 67, 70, 67. I did get someone that got filled at 57. It's fairly low. In at 67 out of 40. Great fills. Some of these are really good fills. Quick recap. We were trading the UK retail sells, but we did get our 0.4 deviation. Signaled a strong sell. We have support from the yearly number. We did have some conflicting data on the revisions, but the revisions weren't conflicting enough to really concern us. So we stayed in the trade. We held the position. It looks like the majority of the people got in the 60s, actually high 60s, 67. There were some lower fills. Not all fills were at 67, but the majority of the fills were between looks like 60 and 67, and was a nice trade. Got a lot of people reporting profits of 40 and 50 pips. Looks like we got a high percentage of execution this morning, so it's good to see.